As we continue our inner yatra, let's explore Ksepana Mudra, a powerful hand gesture designed to release negativity and purify our energy. Understanding Ksepana Mudra. Ksepana Mudra, also known as the Emptying Mudra or Pouring Out Mudra, is a practice aimed at releasing negative energy, toxins, and unwanted emotions from our system. The word Ksepana in Sanskrit means to throw or to eject, symbolizing the act of letting go. How to perform Ksepana Mudra. Sit in a comfortable meditation posture with your spine straight. Bring your hands in front of your lower abdomen, palms facing down. Interlock your fingers, keeping your palms hollow. Extend your index fingers, touching them together to form a point. Point your joined index fingers downward, away from your body. Hold this position for 5-15 minutes while focusing on your breath. Visualize a negative energy draining out through your index fingers. Benefits of Ksepana Mudra. Negativity release. Helps in releasing negative thoughts and emotions. Energy purification. Cleanses and purifies your energy field. Stress reduction. Aids in reducing stress and anxiety. Emotional balance. Promotes emotional stability and calmness. Detoxification. Supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Mental clarity. Enhances mental clarity and focus. Grounding. Helps in grounding excess energy. Chakra balancing. Particularly beneficial for balancing the lower chakras. Improved sleep. Can aid in better sleep by releasing accumulated tension. Spiritual growth. Supports spiritual practices by clearing energetic blockages. When to practice Ksepana Mudra. Practice in the morning to start your day with a clean slate. Use during meditation to enhance your practice. Perform when feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or emotionally drained. Incorporate into your bedtime routine for better sleep. Enhancing the practice. Combine with deep, slow breathing for increased effectiveness. Visualize a negative energy as dark smoke leaving your body through your fingers. Affirm mentally, I release all that no longer serves me. Follow with a positivity-inducing mudra, like Chin Mudra for balanced aura. Remember, consistency is key in mudra practice. Incorporate Ksepana Mudra into your daily routine to experience its full benefits in purifying your mind, body, and spirit. Looking for personal growth and wellness plans? Reach out to us at theinneryatra@gmail.com. Plans start at just $98 with 1 year free access to our exclusive school community. To know more about the Inner Yatra, visit www.theinneryatra.com. Thank you.